So today, you guys, I'm going to show you how I got this curly half up, half down using CurlsCurls 16-inch Burmese curly clip-ins. So this is what the hair is looking like after I wash and condition it. The curls are nice and juicy and bouncy. That's what we want. So in these next few clips, I'm just going to show you guys how I parted my hair to even get the half up, half down. So I'm just going to do so by taking out those old 2 braids that I had in my head from a few days ago. So I'm just going to start by parting where my ear is, kind of a little bit behind my ear, just so that I can part my hair in half. I know my hair is looking a little dry, but we're going to fix that later down the line. So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a visual of where you guys want to part it. So you guys want to part it on each side. As you guys can see, I'm just going to go ahead and part that side and then go ahead and do the same to the other side and make sure that everything is even, because we don't want our part to be crooked and then your hair that you put up in a ponytail at the end is not going to look cute at all. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue to do that. And now that we're done parting our hair, I'm just going to take this spray bottle with nothing but water just to make my hair a little bit moist, because like I said in the beginning of the video, my hair is a little bit dry, so it's kind of hard for me. I don't even know why I took that small little brush and tried to comb through my hair knowing that wasn't going to work. So I'm just now going to take my Edge Booster Edge Control. You guys, I live by this edge control. It's literally my favorite. I use it in every single YouTube video that I do. So anyways, you guys can take honestly any edge control that you guys want to use. I'm going to use Edge Booster because it's my favorite. So I'm just going to take it to mold my ponytail that I did go ahead and part in the beginning in half. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue to do that. And then towards the end of me doing my ponytail, I'm going to go ahead and add in some baby hairs, which you guys will see in the next few clips.
Feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that heat of love. I wanna ride the all night, working in the rhythm, yeah. I wanna ride the all night, working in the rhythm, yeah. I wanna
So now that I'm done making sure my ponytail at the top is nice and slick, you're going to want to go ahead and braid down the leftover hair that is out and swing around and put it into a tiny little bun. And I'm just going to take a bobby pin and pin it down. You guys will see later on that I'm going to be using the clip-in hair to wrap around that small little bun. So next I'm just going to go ahead and take my hair in the back, and I'm just going to do like two big messy braids in the back. Nothing special, you guys. I just want it to lay down enough so that I will be able to clip the hair on in the back. So that's what you guys will be seeing me do in these next few clips.
Keep it real, only till you've had your fill. Then you wanna cry ill will. Really thought you know the deal. Oh well, I guess that's what happens. Two fools be falling in love, mixing some pain and some passion. Nothing is ever enough. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll fall love again, love again. Yeah.
And before I go ahead and install these clip-ins, I wanted to show you guys what they are looking like before I install them. This is their seamless clip-in, so the tracks are a lot thinner. I love the way that they are shaped because when I put them in the back, they lay a lot flatter. So now in these next few clips, you guys are going to be seeing me put them in as I go.
Orbiting around and then circle back around to you. Coming back around to you. I'm coming back around. Even on your worst day, love you in the worst way.
So for this ponytail part, I'm honestly just going to take the track and clip it onto my little bun that I have at the top, and I'm just going to continue to wrap the clip in around until it is completely done, and then I will clip the hair at the bottom. If you've made it this far, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think so far about the video. Honestly, I love this curl pattern. It's honestly one of my favorite curl patterns that I've used from them in the past. Honestly, this hair is so soft. When I washed it, it had no shedding. Honestly, this hair is a go, you guys. I really do love this. Thank you to CurlsCurls Hair for sponsoring this video.